Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can take any Big Green Egg or Kamado Joe and hook it up to the ChefsTemp S1 and Breezo to get really precise low and slow temperatures. You get all the flavor of a charcoal grill with the convenience of a pellet smoker. Setting everything up takes about 10 minutes, but I'm going to show you step by step what you need to do. First thing we're going to do is swap out the temp gauge and install the S1. You don't need any tools and it's very easy to remove. Now I'm going to install the S1 base and then attach the wing nut so it holds it into place. Now we're going to attach the S1. Now you're going to need the Breezo, the mounting bracket, and the power cable. We're going to open up our bottom vent. So for the Breezo here, you're going to see these tabs right in here. We're actually going to attach this to the mounting plate. Now this is ready to attach to the base of the Big Green Egg. All right, to install this, I'm going to put the base in. And this is actually going to kind of just snap into place. And now I can kind of close the vent and just put this all the way to one side. I'm going to put on my vent cover. It's magnetic. Now for low and slow barbecue, something very crucial to do is you're going to have to close down the vents, just barely having enough airflow for when the fan kicks on, it can send air through. But then if the fan's not on, it really doesn't let airflow in. So this Breezo is going to dictate how much air actually gets into the Kamado. Now I'm going to hook the Breezo up to power. So here she's all set up, but now let's get her lit. I'm going to take out the grates and the deflector. Now what's great about Kamados is they're very fuel efficient. There's usually going to be some charcoal left. You can leave that in, but now we're going to add a little bit more charcoal. All right, now I'm going to add a tumbleweed, and you want to add it to the spot that's closest to the Breezo. Now we're going to light it up. And then what I like doing is taking some charcoal and kind of putting it over it. Just like that. Now I'm going to put the grates back in. At this point, I usually just like giving the grate just a nice clean down. All right, now let's get the S1 turned on. All right, in the app, I'm going to click on the Breezo. And then here I can set the target temperature. I'm going to set that to 225. And that is it. Now it's very crucial that both the bottom vent of the Breezo and the top vent of the Big Green Egg are barely cracked open. You're basically going to let the S1 and the Breezo do all the work. Well, that wraps it up for today's video. If you have any questions about the S1 or the Breezo, feel free to leave a comment. Other than that, I'll catch you guys in the next one.